Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Africana01 from Uganda, East Africa. To all my returning subscribers, I can't thank you enough. Please, I'm so humbled. Thank you for loving me. And to whoever, when it's your first time to watch my videos, feel at home. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share, like, and comment. Here is a video, and it's all about how I cooked porridge. It's millet porridge, and at first, I got a saucepan. It must be dry. Then I had to measure 3 to 4 spoons of millet powder. I added in cold water. Then I had to stir. After stirring, I had to light up the gas. I put that Ujji, the porridge on the gas. I add in hot water. You saw it in the paco, so I added in hot water. When you add in hot water, you still stir. You don't stop stirring. You stir until the Ujji, the porridge, gets sticky. Yes. Then you let it to boil for something like 5 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. That's how the procedure was. Hopefully you will like it and enjoy it. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.